Hari Om friends, this is Chandra B. Iyer again from KACC Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Yes, friends, in the last class in color theory part 3, we learned to draw the color wheel chart according to pigment theory. We also learned about color layout. You saw a demo as to how to color using specific techniques. Today, in part 4 of color theory, let us learn about quaternary colors. Quaternary colors. By mixing two tertiary colors, you get a quaternary color. Example, olive. It's a muted green and is called greenish grey. You can get olive by mixing bluish green with yellowish orange, and you get this lovely proud military, that is army olive. Wow! You may see this young soldier with his pretty, highly educated friend. He is in olive. Prune, a muted purple, is called purplish grey. It is created by combining two tertiary colors, for example, a red violet and a blue violet. You may see, for example, blackberries. The tint of prune, that is, if you mix white with it, it gives you a sober effect. Buff. Buff is a muted orange and is called as orangish grey. If you mix yellowish green with reddish purple, you get buff. This rose can give you an idea of what buff color is. Both tertiaries and quaternaries belong to grey scales. Thus, you see that both tertiary and quaternary colors are not bright but a bit dull and sober. Okay friends, we have learnt about all the 4 stages of color mixing. Let's recapitulate. The color wheel is a visual representation of color relationships based on the pigment theory. It helps artists understand how colors interact with each other and one another when mixed, and how to create various harmonies. The pigment theory of color, also known as subtractive color mixing, related to the art subject, explains how colors are produced when pigments like paints or inks absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect others. Thus, mixing pigments results in darker colors approaching black. Why is it so? Because the mixture absorbs more light than the individual pigments. This is why mixing all primary pigments of red, yellow and blue results in a dark, near black color. This theory is for artists. Whereas in physics, you would have seen your teacher rotating a color wheel and you see it all white, WHITE. Cause there light influences colors. Thus, in an experiment, if you mix any two colors, it will bring different results in light and in pigments. Adding more colors to the mix will darken the color in paint but will appear paler and brighter in light. Examples: red and yellow gives you dark orange in pigments, that is color mixture, but will appear lighter and brighter when it receives light from a bulb or from natural light. So let's concentrate on only pigment theory for now related to color mixtures meant for artists. Friends, I purposely elaborated the difference because of many enquiries from ex-science students. That's all for now. Shubha Dinam.